Are you an Excelsior nursing student who needs to pass the CPNE? We have good news. It's about to get a whole lot easier. What we're about to tell you could double your chances of passing your first time. Now you can attend a CPNE workshop from your living room with over 50 hours of organized video lecture and demonstration covering everything you need to know to pass. You can finally take the stress and guesswork out of studying. As a member, you'll instantly have 24/7 access to videos covering skill stations, patient care, documentation, care plans, and so much more. You'll also get new videos added monthly, all of which are guaranteed to be compliant with the current testing guidelines. Plus, you'll get 2 care plan assignments every week to submit back for grading. You'll also become a VIP member of our exclusive, invite-only Facebook community, where you can get on weekly live trainings and discussions. There is absolutely no better way to study for the CPNE from home. Join us and let us pull back the veil on what it takes to become a CPNE success story. We surveyed over 1,000 online workshop members, and 99.8% say it's a must-have to pass the CPNE. ATL Clinical Workshop has helped over 4,000 students become success stories and has the nation's highest pass rate. As the most trusted name in CPNE training, you can rely on ATL Clinical Workshop to make sure your first attempt at the CPNE is your only attempt. Don't use your clinical weekend as a very expensive practice run. Make sure you're prepared so you can pass your first time. Click the button now to learn more and get started. See you in the members area.